Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're making tricky challenges and having a lot of fun, so stay with us. Oh, that's a big bogey. Yeah. What that up? Guys, I'm on this big bogey challenge. We have table and chair, Rahim. That's not a problem, brother. Chairs, coming, right up. Let's try this out. Magic again. Oh! Ew, that's very bad. Rahim, your magic's not working right now, Rahim. Okay, try your best then. Okay. What? Yeah! Nappies. Grossy. Your magic is not working. I'll get it. Ta-da! Wow! Watch this! Wow! How did you do that? Wait for it. That's what I'm talking about. Let's open it. Instructions. Well, everything's set up. This is the slime. Yes. And this is the hook. Let's open this. Ingredients. Make your slime. Put slime in the eggshells and smash it on someone's head. Have a turn on a clock, and then we will see which person's turn it is. If it goes in the red guy, that means we don't need to take a turn. Oh no! Slime takes 20 minutes. Let's do something else. Let's use baby powder. Let me get baby powder off first. I got it! Oh yes. Let's open the shells. Oh. 1, 2,
2,000 years later.
The challenge is you need to take the X-Shot and shoot the pepper off someone's head, and if you miss, you know what's going to happen. You smash the egg on your head. Let's do it! Round 1. Wish me luck, guys. No, wish me luck, guys. I hope it doesn't hit my face. Oh no, it's so close. Oh, I missed. Ibrahim, don't forget, I need a rubber, Ibrahim. Oh God. You missed. Now you have to spin the spinner, smile. Thank you for supporting me and my brother's channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Please press the like button and subscribe button. Aww. Spin smile. Okay. What did you get? You have to egg me? Oh no! Alright, Smile. I'm ready, buddy. Bring it on, Smile. Let's see what you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, look at that. Smiles everywhere.